Taluoy ang mga Pilipino.
Shame on you, Claire, anti-Claire.
Inaubos ninyo ang kwarta sa flood control.
Shame on you, anti-Claire, anti-Claire.
Please, please, bring the money to the Filipino people. We have a big flood control projects come right now.
I think we can hear you without that.
Kapal ng mukha!
You can film all you want, no problem, but if you threaten by you guys, just let them do it. You can film them all you want, no problem.
We are harmless. We just want to let them know.
Feel free to say whatever you want.
She lies! She lies!
Oh, come on. Harassing? Look what you did in the Philippines.
No, we are not violent. We're pangit mo! Ang pangit mo! Putang ina mo! Putang ina mo! Putang ina mo! Pangit mo! Putang ina mo! Putang ina mo! Putang ina mo! Putang ina mo! Kamatay ka na sana! Nakita pa ka ng PC! Putang ina mo!
Hindi.